Unlock the power of your Facebook ad campaigns by integrating the crucial Facebook pixel into your Squarespace website. This essential step allows you to track visitor behavior, build targeted audiences, and measure the true effectiveness of your advertising spend. Let's dive in and get this set up correctly. First, you'll need to access your Facebook Business Manager. Once there, navigate to the Events Manager. This is where you'll find your pixel settings. If you don't already have a pixel, click on Connect Data Sources and select Web. Then, choose Facebook Pixel as your data source and give your pixel a descriptive name. You'll then be prompted to create your pixel. After creating your pixel, Facebook will offer a few installation methods. We'll be focusing on the manual installation method for Squarespace. Locate your unique pixel ID. This is a series of numbers that identifies your specific pixel. Copy this ID. You'll need it in a moment. Now, switch over to your Squarespace website editor on the left-hand menu. Click on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Advanced from the Advanced options. Click on Code Injection. You'll see different sections for injecting code into your site. We need to place the pixel code in the correct spot. Go back to your Facebook pixel setup under the Install Code Manually option. You'll find the full pixel code. Copy this entire code snippet. Return to your Squarespace. Code Injection Settings. Paste the entire Facebook pixel code into the header section. This ensures the pixel loads on every page of your website. Once the code is pasted, click on Save to apply the changes to your Squarespace site. And that's it. You've successfully installed your Facebook pixel on Squarespace. You can now set up conversion tracking and begin building valuable custom audiences for your retargeting campaigns.